Saving money is an essential part of personal finance and can be the key to achieving financial stability and independence. So, but about 5 years ago, the only way to save money was a saving account through traditional banks. And why this actually work well for most people, it's become increasingly hard to do so because there are some different kind of factors and reduction of interest rate and the numerous charges in the bank as of today. But this made many Nigerians lose faith in saving their money with banks in Nigeria. And today, there are a lot of money savings apps in Nigeria, which of course you can actually use to save your money and earn some high interest rate for yourself. And in this video, we are going to look into different apps that you can actually use to save money and earn up to 30 to 40 interest rate on annual basis on or how long you would like to keep the money inside those apps. And why is it so important to save money? Saving money is important for a numerous of reasons, and there are different kind of reasons on which individuals actually save money. Some people decide to save money for some basic needs. Some people decide to save money for food. Some people decide to save money for rent and bills. And other ways, personal savings can actually provide a safety net in case of emergency, and it is also essential to save to have some money saved on unexpected expenses just like medical bills, car repair, and some other stuff like that. And also, some people just prefer to save money in order to achieve a long-time financial goal, such as buying house, starting a business, or for a comfortable retirement. And when they need the money, they can actually just go ahead and just take any part of the savings, and then they are good to go. Why saving money on apps rather than bank? So putting money an online saving app offers several advantage over traditional bank. One of the main advantage is the ability to earn high interest rate, with some going up to 10%, 20%, 35 and 40, which is higher than what stock market or bank can actually give you as of today. Another advantage of saving app are generally more convenient and user friendly to anyone who actually have access to Android device or Apple device. They can actually go on their mobile app and do anything or whatever they want, and also they can request for their money anytime they want, as long as they did not lock the money for a certain period of time. And also, saving money with mobile apps also help you in withdrawing the money at any time. There is no weekend, or probably there is an holiday. And you also know that there are different reasons why some banks might actually decide to just lock your money and tell you that you have to provide some certain things before you able to withdraw the money that you decided to save on their own apps. So these are the five best savings app in Nigeria today. Number one is Fair Money. Fair Money is a leading digital bank in Nigeria that can boost two great savings wallet. The first is Fair Saving, and we're also talking about the second one, which also provide you up to 10% interest rate per annum, and it also allow you to access your savings whenever you want without charging for withdrawal. It also gives daily interest alert on your savings account. The second one is Fairlock. Fairlock is a fixed deposit savings wallet that offer up to 18% interest per annum, which make it more safer and investment, and one of the best interest rates on savings. As the name implies, fair lock involve locking your savings. Users pick a tenor to lock their funds and only get it when the tenor expires. This promotes saving discipline and help you meet your savings goal, so you don't have access to withdraw that money until the certain time you set up for the money actually elapsed. Then you have access. The money will be deposited to your balance or to your wallet immediately as you enter that particular day. Number two is Piggyvest. I actually use Piggyvest on my own, and Piggyvest is one of the best and popular saving app in Nigeria, which of course you can use on different range, and they also offer different kind of savings inside the app, and you can also enjoy different interest rates based on the kind of savings you use on this particular app. You can download Piggyvest from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and you are going to see different ways you can put or save your money on Piggyvest and earn an high commission on it. Another one, which is number three, is Cowrywise. Cowrywise is an online savings app with a range of savings options like short-term loan, short-term savings, and long-term savings plan, as well as an emergency savings account. This app offers interest rates of up to 12% on your savings, and it also allows users to set up automatic savings and invest their money in mutual fund. What automatic savings means, if you spend out some certain amount in your account, you can decide how much you would like to put in on your savings automatically. For example, if you have 100,000 naira in your savings in your account, and you are sending some certain amount outside, so you can decide to save probably every 1% or 2% of how much you're actually sending out from your account. So that is how the automatic savings works. Number four is Alert by Wema. Alert by Wema is also a digital bank that offers a range of savings options. It has flexible savings and savings for a specific goal. It also offers a high interest rate of up to 10% per annum, and provide tools to help users manage their money and track their spending. Another one is Kuda Bank. Kuda is a digital bank that offer a range of savings options as well, and you can also benefit different kind of features on Kuda uh, microfinance bank, including fixed deposit and flexible savings. It also offer a high interest rate of up to 10% per annum, and it also allow users to easily transfer money from one of their account and to another one. All these apps have their own terms and cons, and they also have one of the benefits that also make it surpass the other. But then if you check all these apps, you are going to be able to choose one of the best that actually suits your need. As for me, I'll prefer using Piggyvest because I have everything inside. I can lock my money inside the app until the day I actually want to withdraw the money, or the day I actually need the money. I like the fact that it have a lock, which of course I cannot withdraw the money until that particular day. And I also earn some interest. For example, I save up to 200,000 naira on the Piggyvest app, and then they are able to pay me 10,000 naira interest on that particular money. But then it's a long time savings as well. So I think I'm not really about the interest rate, but of course at the end I'm able to save the money for that certain thing I actually want to use the money for. To sum everything up, saving money is actually a very important part of personal finance and can provide financial stability and independence as well. Saving app offer high interest rate that more like some other banks. It's also recommend to check the features offered by savings product in app and savings in bank. This help you understand better and make informed decision for saving money. There are numerous savings app available in Nigeria today and some other countries as well, but then it all depends on which one you actually want to use to save your money. Out of these five, I'm very sure at the end of this video you'll be able to choose which one are actually best for you and how much you also like to save on any of these apps. Let me know through the comment section below which one you prefer to save your money from, or which one are you actually using to save money to earn some certain interest, or are you really interested in the interest rate which of course they are going to pay you, or you are able to use any of these app to meet up with your ends meet, or to what exactly you actually want to use the money for. Let me know through the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.